Welcome to our junior engineering project. We are in Spirit Engineering firm. The purpose of our project was finding a balance between being creative and explaining our reasoning for the airport location. The cities of Hazard, Lookout City, Atlanta asked us to explain two different locations using geometry, and now we will tell you how we did it.
In Assumption A, the airport had to be built at a location that was equal distance from each of the three cities. We created a step-by-step process that describes how we found the airport location. First, find the midpoint of each line. Second, draw perpendicular line. Third, find the point of intersection. Finally, draw the line from the point of intersection to the three cities. The total cost of building the road for this airport location is 51 billion $75,000.
In Assumption B, the airport had to be built at a location that was the shortest distance from the three roads connecting the cities. We created a step-by-step process that describes how we found the airport location. First, divide each angle in half. Second, draw a line from the point of the angle. Third, find the point of intersection. Finally, draw a perpendicular line. The total cost of building the roads for this airport location is $9,375,000. Our engineering firm thinks Assumption A is the best location for the following reasons. Because the first benefit is Lookout City is 80 minutes from the airport, so expect a 50% increase in business and tourism. The second benefit is Atlanta is 45 minutes from the airport, so expect a 150% increase in exports and business. Thank you for listening to our airport proposal.